Hello, my name is Tony Adalagbe, um, and I'll be doing my project on brain plasticity and its impact on education. Um, so we're going to be exploring how the brain adapts and changes throughout life and its implications for learning and education. So for my introduction, brain plasticity, also known as neuroplasticity, is the ability of the brain to recognize itself by forming new neural connections. This is relevant because it helps explain how learning, memory, and recovery from injuries are possible. Description of the brain plasticity for key processes. Number one, neurogenesis. This is the formation of new neurons, so just the ability for the brain to adapt over time when given new information. And then for number two, synaptic pruning. This eliminates weaker synaptic connections while strengthening others, and these processes enable adaptation to learning and environmental changes. For literature review, for research findings, studies show learning new skills like playing a musical instrument and doing difficult activities increases gray matter density. Recovery from brain injuries is possible due to neural reorganization. And then educational strategies can benefit from understanding these mechanisms. For interaction with the world, brain plasticity allows us to adapt to our environment. So, for example, when you're learning to use new technologies or tools, or recovering from sensory loss such as blindness by enhancing other senses. For cognition and education, this affects learning obviously. So you want to improve memory and problem solving, and then encourage creativity through adaptable thinking, relevance to education. You're tailoring learning strategies to enhance neural pathways, which can maximize student outcomes. So this matters because understanding neuroplasticity highlights how learning shapes the brain. It aligns with my interests as in medical education, emphasizing personalized approaches to maximize potential. Clean learning, two takeaways. You want to target interventions that can reshape the brain. Early education profoundly impacts lifelong neural development. They say that the frontal lobe doesn't develop till you're 25, so obviously learning is very important when you're younger. And then neuroplasticity underscores the importance of continuous learning. So the importance of this for others, educators and students must recognize brain plasticity's roles, benefits, enhances teaching methods, encourages lifelong adaptability, and then promotes a growth mindset in learning. Challenges and opportunities. For challenges, limited understanding in mainstream education, resource constraints in implementing brain-friendly strategies, and then for opportunities, you want to emerge neuroscience research and the technology-assisted learning innovations. So to conclude, brain plasticity offers profound insights into how we learn and adapt, and then we want to call to action to embrace neuroplasticity-driven strategies to create brain-friendly educational environments. And these are my references. Thank you.